there's something about those nights when he's eating at the Y and you're bent over like this. It gives you a head rush that makes your more powerful. And you gotta try it with his head back down this way too. Get your legs in his face. Plus he gets a head rush. And it's not just for queening, it's for kinging too. Or getting cracked in more ways than one. And when all the work is said and done, it folds back into a bench with a cover that goes over it so nobody knows what was going on in here. And yeah, the microfiber cover, you can zip it off, throw it in the wash, and it's waterproof underneath. But it's quality furniture, so it's gonna be a little pricey, y'all. Don't say I didn't warn you. If you're looking for the link, follow me and then drop the word Chase and I'll send the link directly to you. My name's Nick Levin, I'm your new desire coach. And if this was helpful, don't forget to follow along for more. Happy humping.